Silver against US dollar this week has risen in value. First of all, the week has started with this bullish candle. The previous week has closed the Friday with a bearish candle suggesting further decline in value. The price has tried to move it further down, but we can see the price has returned to the resistance level 30.46. After that, the price formed a bullish breakout, suggesting further rise in value, but the price could not go further up, reaching the next resistance level here. The price has stopped right here, so we can see how the price was bouncing back and up, back and up, back down and up. So the price has stopped very close to the area of support 30.46. The weekly time frame shows us that we have formed a bullish candle, but this bullish candle is just at the resistance level here at 30.46, which is not very clear information where the price could go. And we can see that this month will close probably as a bullish month, but we need to wait one more week until this month closes. How it looks right now, we can see that a very important resistance level needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value. And if the monthly time frame closes above 30.46, which is in front of us currently, I will probably adapt these price levels, because I can see the price do not bounce from these price levels very closely and very precisely. So I think I need to modify this area of support and the resistance that will be in line with the current market conditions. But as it looks right now, the bullish weekly time frame is forming a bullish breakout, which needs to be confirmed next week. So the daily time frame currently shows me that we have in the bullish mode because of this bullish breakout, and it's been confirmed where the price did not go below this area of support. So everything is suggesting that we could see the price on the higher price levels. But before that, we can see that on the 4-hour time frame, I need to see the price going above 30.87, which is a very important resistance level. And we can see the price was trying several times. First, second and third time, the price could not make a bullish breakout. So on a Monday, we can see we have here a bearish engulfing candle suggesting further decline in value, where I'm expecting that the price will reach 30.46, a support level, and then we'll see how the price will behave around this area. During the week, I also share the details with the traders inside the premium analysis. I share the details when the price forms a bullish or bearish breakout, and also where is the target. So if you would like to receive the targets for the silver against US dollar during the week, when the potential target and also potential opportunity happens, feel free to check the premium analysis. There is also free trial, so you can also test for yourself. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.